Alright guys, M-Tech Guy here, and today we've got a nice little easy problem to take care of on the E30 318is. So basically what's been going on is I've been having trouble with my bonnet. So every time I've had it open and I've been taking care of any work in the engine bay, while the bonnet's been in the open position, it's literally teetering on the edge of being in the open and closed position. And to be honest, while I've been busy working away, there has been 2 or 3 times where the bonnet's closed and hit me in the head. And it's no wonder, because that gas strut that holds the bonnet up is 35 years old now, so I should say it's pretty worn out. It's lost possibly most of the gas that's in there. It's not performing, it's not doing its job properly anymore. So today we're going to take a look at changing out the bonnet strut. So let's take a look at the part required to get the job done. Right, so normally with this car, my plan has been to try and fit genuine BMW parts where I can. Now, although there are genuine BMW bonnet struts still available for these, what I've done is I've gone for the OEM manufacturer this time round. I've gone for the Stabalis brand. So I've used these before, I've had a lot of good luck with them before, and essentially it is just a bonnet strut. When I get this fitted, it's going to perform 1,000 times better than the worn out one that's there, the original one. There was a big saving buying this one over a genuine one, so in this instance I'm pretty sure I've made the right decision there. But anyhow, let's get it fitted and let's find out. Right, so this is a 1990 318is. We only have one bonnet, one hood support on the right hand side. That's the driver's side on this car. And the hood support, the gas strut, is just down here. So to start off with, we need to release the clip at either end. And to do that, we're going to use a small pocket screwdriver just to push that inner section out. And we should be able to slide the clip off. And once both clips are removed, we can slide gas strut off and then refit the new one. So before we go any further, what I did, I've got the brand new one here. Now this was extremely stiff out of the package because obviously it could have been on the shelf for a number of weeks or months, so it sort of gained a memory. So what I did, I gave it a few pumps against the floor. It was extremely stiff, so what I had to do is put a screwdriver through this and just to be able to get hold of it and get my weight behind it. Obviously be careful because there is a lot of pressure in these new struts. I just gave it a few compressions just to loosen it up and bring it back to life. So once we get it fitted, that should operate beautifully. So take the pocket screwdriver. It's just a case of bending that inner portion out, slide her off. The other end's going to be a bit trickier because there's not much room there to get the fingers in. And obviously be careful taking these off because you can soon lose them down in the depths of the engine bay. Although it's not such a big deal on an E30 in comparison to the V10 E60 M5, where there's literally no room in the engine bay because the engine's taken up all the room. So at this stage we'll just make a note of the orientation, that the main body is towards the cabin of the car. So now this is going to be free once we remove the gas strut, so we're just going to take a hold of the bonnet, make sure it doesn't drop on my head. So we'll get some clips reinstalled on that one. Ain't much room around the back here, guys. It's the front one on, and on with the rear clip. Sure they're nice and secure. Right, so there we go. All there's left to do is give it the big test. Oh, that feels so much smoother and more positive. You can definitely feel that it's taken the weight. It's even got the weight when it's open, sort of halfway, 45 degrees. That's better. Look at that, it'll even take itself up that last portion of the weight. So now I don't have to worry about getting hit in the head with this thing anymore. That's a beautiful action now. Back to how it was 35 years ago in 1990. Now then, if we take a look at the original bonnet strut. You can see there, we know which model it's for. The BMW logo there. Mr. Ballis, his own logo on there. And if we check the wording, you see this came out of West Germany. Whereas the new ones from the original manufacturer, from a different part of the world now. So I very much doubt if you went and bought a genuine BMW one, it will be out of a manufacturing plant in Germany anymore. So I'm happy with this. I'm happy the way it's operating. It's a huge saving over a genuine one, even though I'm trying to keep all the parts I replace on the car genuine. But what I think I'm going to do, once I get round to replacing all the gas struts in them sports seats, I'm going to take the whole lot down to a strut reconditioners, get the seals done, get them regassed, and then that'll be the original German ones operating as good as new. And whether I keep them on the shelf for a rainy day or whether I refit them to the car, I don't know, but it'll be nice just to keep them original ones, because like I say, I'm pretty sure you struggle to get any of these made out of Germany nowadays. Alright guys, so there we have it. That's the bonnet strut now replaced, so I don't have to worry anymore about the bonnet hitting me in the head while I'm busy working away in the engine bay. So I'm really pleased to have that little easy job now taken care of. Now if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW E30 content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm MTech Guy. Thanks a lot for watching.